to Baking Soda Kitchen. Hope all of you are doing very well. Today we're going to be making a chocolate mug cake. It's a sort of like a lava cake because we're going to put Nutella in the middle and it's going to ooze out. So if you're interested to find out, keep watching. Before that, head down and hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so that you'll be notified every time we post a new recipe. Now let's get started. So the ingredients for a mug cake is really simple. I understand some of you may not have a baking oven at home, so this recipe is done with a microwave. If you have a microwave and all the necessary ingredients here, you can surely make this. Now I will go through each and every one of the ingredients. Here we have 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 3 tablespoons of milk, 1 tablespoon of oil. The Nutella here is for the stuffing in the middle of the cake. And then we will need half a teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So now let's get started. So now I'm going to sift all my dry ingredients. This step is really not necessary, you don't have to do it, but I'm just doing it so that we ensure a smooth cake batter. So I've now sifted the all-purpose flour. I'm going to do the same with the sugar. And as well as the cocoa powder. I'll see you once all the ingredients are sifted. So now all the dry ingredients are sifted. Let's give them a good mix. Now they're mixed well. We're going to add half a teaspoon of baking powder. And also give that a good mix in so that the cake can rise. Okay, so now all our dry ingredients are mixed well. It's time to add our wet ingredients. So I'm just going to form a well in the middle for the wet ingredients. And then add 1 tablespoon of oil. Next, I'll add 2 tablespoons of milk. And then I'm going to mix this in. So now if your batter is too thick and not really like a cake batter, you can add more milk in. So as you can see, my batter here is a little bit thick, so we're going to add more milk to make it more like a cake batter. So now I've added in about 2 more tablespoons of milk. This is the perfect cake batter consistency. So make sure that your batter is the correct consistency so that it will bake well. Lastly, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And I'm just going to mix that in nicely. And then our cake batter is now ready. So you can pour it into the mug and bake it, and I will show you that as well. So now our batter is ready. I'm going to pour it into the mug. So now to give it that oozy texture, we're going to add some Nutella. You can choose any spread of your own. I'm just going to put the Nutella right in the middle and then just try to push it in and cover it with as much batter as I can. So now I'm going to microwave this for 1 to 2 minutes depending on your microwave. It looks and smells delicious already. So now our mug cake is ready. It's out of the microwave. Take a look at it. Doesn't that look delicious? So now to top it all off, I'm just going to dust some powdered sugar on top of the cake. So now it's time to taste it. Take a look at the cake. It's just a microwave cake, but it has the texture of a real cake. It's really good. The Nutella in the middle gives it a really good lava cake texture. So this is a really simple recipe, and if you have a microwave you can do it. So why don't you try it out and let us know, and I'm sure you'll love it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video. Subscribe so you won't miss any one of our video and you'll be the first to check it out. I'll see you guys in my next recipe. Bye!